Hi guys, it's Lindsay, aka Makeup and Mobility, a channel where we like to focus on makeup and disability advocacy. As you can see in today's video, it's going to be my sweetheart dance pictures with the Owasso spirits. Here's a picture of me in my dress and everything. I feel like I looked super pretty. Here's another picture of me in my dress and everything. It was like this purple lavender color, and I really like the way I did my makeup as well, and the way I did my hair. Thank you to my grandma for helping me get ready and everything. And I just really enjoyed it. And I feel like I look super pretty. And I really enjoyed my time at the dance. Here's a picture of me and my best friend, Noelle. She also looks super pretty. And I just really enjoy her. And I love her to death. She's a goofball, but I love her. You guys will see our goofy looking pictures here in a moment. Here they are. She wanted to be silly. She's so silly, but I love her to death. And I just had so much fun and everything. And I really love her, and I love her to death. Here's a picture of me and my friend Eric and a stuffed seal that I won. Here's a couple pictures of where they had the facility and the dance at. It was a really nice facility. We've had dances there before, and I just want to thank all the parents and the volunteers who put this together and put it on for us to have a night of fun and celebrate with love and friendship, and I just really appreciate that. So thank you to everyone who helped put it on and everything. And thank you guys so much for watching. Find beauty and advocacy and keep rolling on. I love you. Bye.